with you in the morning. I live up to feel more alive. I want those eyes to never be lonely. I wanna rise with you in the morning. I live up to feel more alive. I want those eyes to never be lonely. Let's make this night the time of our lives. I wanna rise with you in the morning. I live up to feel more alive. I want those eyes to never be lonely. Let's make this night. Dear left brain.
Don't say we can't, oh, just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, your full picture is cropped. Cause we both know that one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, it's my say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Julie Gamine. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. I know you guys have seen the journey up to here, but I am currently at a Virmack hotel and I'm gonna give you a room tour. So this is the door. This is where you use your card to access a few things in the room. Then this is the window. I love the shears. This pattern in the shears, it's good, but most of all I like the color of the curtain. I'm not a loud girl, so the color is perfect. Then there is this mirror. Yes, this amazing mirror that you can see yourself before you exit the room. Alright, that's nice up to there. Then we go to the washroom. So here's the washroom. Very simple, nice. Here's the tissue. Here's the blow dry. Yes, I think this is the blow dry. And then here are the things to use. Shower gel. There's a shampoo. No, there's a shampoo, body lotion, and bar soap. Then come in. Here is the bathroom. Very simple, very put together. And you can lock it. Yes, if in case you came with someone and they want to use the washroom, you can. Here is the wardrobe. Don't mind the business going on there. It's nice because you can put as much clothes as you can. Yes, everything you came with from your village. Then here there is a table. You can put your bag as it has been used nicely. You can put your toiletries perfectly. Wow. And here there is a study table for those of us who love doing Bible study every day like me. You're sorted. There's a seat in case you came with your other person and you guys want to have like a meeting, a romantic moment when you're drinking your drinks. Here is the setup for you. You can also watch TV from here. Here is our beautiful setup. Here is the TV, Samsung television. Yes, then on the table, there's a coffee maker. And there's all things for coffee. There's sugar, there's tea leaves, a cup, and you can put whatever else you want to put there. Then there are also drawers. So if you have something important you don't want the cleaners to see when they are cleaning, you can put it there. Apart from that now, here is the bed. Before you come to the bed, there's a mat down here. Yes. And then here is the amazing bed. Very comfortable. It's a spring bed, by the way, like you guys can tell. Woo. Yes, and they have a cut-through for the aesthetics that looks similar, close to the curtain, only that the maroon here is too much, unlike the one on the curtain. Then here's pillow one, throw pillows, and then the pillows. And the beddings are quite heavy now that there is some crazy situation with the weather going on, you're sorted. But I feel like it's not that strong, but it's good because Nakuru is not that cold. Then there are bedside drawers. There is that one. Yes, that one. And then there is another one on the other side. Yeah. And then there is a telephone in case you want to make a call. There are also rules. Yes, because some order is needed around here. And let me take you up. You get to see the gypsum. The lighting is lighting up. Yes, it's the lighting. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The one outside the bathroom, it's gorgeous, by the way. It's good sense. Very creative. Yes. So guys, that's all for the room. If you loved the room, make sure you come visit Virmack Hotel in Nakuru. I think it's in the middle of Nakuru town. For those who live in Nakuru, they know where Kimathi Street is. Hawezi potea the moment you come into Nakuru. It's not very far, by the way. It's very close to the roundabout for Nakuru. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'll see you on the other side when we're having lunch. Yes, I'll go for lunch and then I'll show you something also. So just wondering what I came here to do. I came here to shoot with a client. And guess what, guys? Nikona good news. I met with a friend who's not breathing because she's camera phobic. But I'm going to show you her, by the way, either way. Because we just bumped into each other. By the way, me life. So thank you guys. See you on the other side. See you on my way home. I don't think you guys will see me anywhere else talking. This is the last part of it. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.